Don't waste your time with doubts. Spend it on learning, on building skills. That's what I'm here for. I'll give you the gist of it. This is Max Bot Channel. My experience is 10 years. I am helped by an innovative tool, a robot that scans the market every second. It shares detailed indicator reports and recommendations like a real assistant. You can get the robot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. I got a recommendation from the neural network for my first trade. Active buy. 9 green indicators signaling bullish market sentiment on the currency pair euro, Canadian dollar. I chose a 5-minute expiry time. The frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. You can always check it. Historical data shows us large volumes of buyers in the past hour. The uptrend has gently moved into consolidation mode, but this does not mean that sellers have taken over the advantage. I think that the price will decline within the corridor, after which it will rebound from the support zone again, forming a local bullish momentum, which will help to close the trade in the plus. Folks, in order not to miss new informative training videos, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Like and comment, it helps promote the channel. It motivates me to try even harder for you. Now I am preparing for you a fresh course on technical analysis. All partners will receive it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In these materials I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's get something straight. If you're here expecting overnight success, you're already setting yourself up to fail. Trading is not a lottery ticket. It's a process. It's strategy. It's psychology. And if you're not ready to play the long game, the market will eat you alive. But if you are ready to grind, to learn, to build something real, then welcome. You're in the right place. Let's talk about something most traders skip: money management. The golden rule? Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total deposit per trade. You've probably heard it before. And maybe you ignored it. Maybe you thought you could skip the fundamentals and still hit the home run. But ask anyone who's been in this game for longer than a TikTok trend. They'll tell you, discipline beats hype. Every time. Think of your capital like your lifeline. You don't go into battle with all your ammo blazing. You pace yourself. You preserve your strength. You live to fight another day. Risking too much isn't bold. It's reckless. There's no honor in blowing your entire account for the thrill of a win. The traders who last are the ones who protect their downside. You're not just playing with numbers, you're building a system, a routine, a rhythm. You're designing a future. And when it doesn't go your way, and it won't sometimes, you do not give up. Failure isn't a red light. It's a U-turn. It's feedback. It's a signal telling you something's off. It's not saying you can't. It's saying not yet. Even legends have off days. But they kept going. And so can you. Now, let me introduce you to something that'll make this journey smoother. My AI-powered trading assistant. It's designed for traders like you. People who want smart analysis and data that actually means something. So, I've completed the first operation with quality. Let's get right into night trading, guys. Yes, a big advantage of the robot is its ability to read not only stock options, but also currency pairs of over-the-counter trading. Australian and Canadian dollar OTC, 5 minutes, investment, under strict money management. The recommendation from artificial intelligence is above. I see areas of rising lows. Price has repeatedly pushed off of them and moved higher. I think that we are waiting for a decline, a rebound from the support zone and a new upward impulse, which will be gradually formed in the course of the transaction. I think this is what the bot realized. Friends, I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show you how I do it. These are my personal results. Your results may be different. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. By the way, we have a group on Telegram where we share posts that help you understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link is below the video. My team also helps traders with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for every member of our community. Now let's talk real talk. I know traders who used to hate Mondays. Now they wake up early, hit the charts, run their strategy, and live off the markets. They didn't come from Wall Street. They didn't go to Ivy League schools. They just refused to quit. It's not about where you start. It's about how consistent you stay. But I won't lie to you, trading is risk. Just like any business. Just like launching a startup, building a brand, or opening a restaurant. It comes with uncertainty. But that doesn't mean you don't play. It means you learn how to manage the risk, not avoid it. And part of managing risk? Knowing that your deposit size directly affects your earning power. Let's break that down. If you're trading with $100, and you follow the rule, risking $1 per trade, you're making about 80 cents profit on a win. Respectable. Controlled. But it's also limited. Now scale that. A $1,000 deposit. Risk $10. Now you're earning $8 per win. The logic stays the same, but the math grows. So yes, I encourage you to deposit what you can safely afford. The more capital, the more breathing room. But always within your limits. No borrowing. No betting the rent. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your strategy? What's your risk tolerance? What indicators do you trust? How do you use money management in your trades? Let's turn the comment section into a knowledge exchange. Let's build a community where traders help traders. Like this video if you got something from it. Subscribe if you want more real content. No hype, no fluff, just raw strategy. And if you're serious about improving, get the assistant. Right now, while it's free. Before the next wave of traders gets in ahead of you. You got the mindset. Now get the method. I've just finished work. You can see the result. Subscribe and click on the bell. See you soon.